Good afternoon, students. Welcome to the next class of chemistry. Okay. So next topic I am going to deal with the molality. What is the meaning of molality? So this is also one of the method of expressing concentration. Expressing concentration of a solution. Okay. This is one of the method of expressing concentration of a solution. Now what do you define molality? It is defined as the number of moles. The number of moles of a solute. Number of moles of a solute dissolved in 1 kg of a solvent. What is molality? It is defined as the number of moles of solute dissolved in 1 kg of a solvent. Now, this molality is denoted by symbol small m. So, molality is equals to number of moles of solute dissolved in 1 kg of solvent, means weight of solvent. Weight of solvent. So, weight of solvent you are taking in what units? In kilogram. Weight of solvent you are taking in kilograms. Now, what is this small n? Small n is nothing but number of moles. Number of moles, how do you define? Weight of solute by upon molar mass. Weight of solute upon molar mass. Now substitute this in this molality expression. So weight of solute by molar mass into 1 by weight of solvent. In what units we are taking? In kilogram. So weight of solute by molar mass into 1 by weight of solvent in kilogram. Suppose, think that the weight of solvent is given in gram. So then how you are going to change this formula? M is equals to weight of solute by its molar mass. Means kiska molar mass? It is a molar mass of solute into 1000 by weight of solvent. So weight of solvent you are changing from kilogram to gram. So that's what 1000 by weight of solvent in gram. Now we have to see how this molality is going to change with the temperature. Is it temperature dependent or independent? Okay. Now when this molality will become the temperature dependent? When volume term is there in molality. So there is no volume term in molality at all. So therefore this molality is temperature independent. Molality is temperature independent. Means it has nothing to do with the temperature. The temperature increases or decreases. We are not going to see any change on molality. So this is about the molality. What is this molality? It is one of the method of expressing the concentration of a solution. Now how do you define molality? What is the definition of molality? It is defined as the number of moles of a solute dissolved in 1 kg of a solvent. Here just make out the difference between the molality and molarity. Molarity is dissolved in 1 liter of the solution, whereas molality is the number of moles of solute dissolved in 1 kg of the solvent. Now, what mathematically, how do you represent molality? Molality is denoted by the symbol small m. Small m is equals to number of moles upon weight of solvent in kilogram. What is number of moles? Weight of solute upon molar mass. Now, substitute this value of number of moles. M is equals to weight of solute upon molar mass into 1 by weight of solvent in kilogram. So basically we will be getting, frequently will be getting the weight of solvent in grams. Then how you will going to change your formula? So when the weight of the solvent is given in grams, what your formula is going to be? So molarity will be equals to weight of solute by molar mass into 1000 by weight of solvent in gram. Now, the next important point, competitive point is molarity, whether molarity is temperature independent or dependent. So how we can predict whether it is temperature dependent or independent? So when you look at the formula of the molarity, nowhere you are coming across the volume term. So whenever volume term is there, then we can predict whether it is the temperature independent or dependent. So there is no volume term at all in molarity. So therefore we can say that molarity is temperature independent. It has nothing to do with the temperature. Okay, thank you.